What is up, you guys? It is your boy Taxi PNG, and we're back at it again with another man. Take the first exaggerative step. Like, make that step like really exaggerative. Yeah, and throw your bag back. So instead of going both forward, switch it up. Yeah, there you go. Okay, bet. So literally what I'm thinking is, like, you have a purse, so you have to like use it, and everything you have on is like kind of flowy. So yeah, literally exactly that. Like, I'm thinking like that. So when you do it, make sure you do it backwards, so that way it's separation. Don't do it both the same way, because you're gonna look bent up. So it's like this. Okay. So exaggerate that leg. Don't just, yes. Okay. Exaggerate it. Kick forward as well, yes, exactly. So forward and point the toe, because if you don't point the toe, it's gonna look weird. Exactly. So point it, and I'm gonna try to catch you right in the middle, so that it can be real symmetrical. Let's do it. All right, bet, ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, yes. One more time. Back up a little bit. Right there. Ready? 3, 2, and 1. Yes, one more. Yep, you got it. 3, 2, and 1. There we go. I think we got it. Okay, so literally for the next one, what I'm thinking is, I kind of want like, can you squat? Yeah. Okay, bet. So what I'm thinking is like right here, okay, probably, literally like this, and like you're looking back. You know what I'm saying? Gotcha. And like you got your purse in the right hand, so it's just there. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? And then this one's like, and you're looking back kind of that way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Try it out. Let's see. Let's see what you got. Yes, literally. And then look the opposite direction. Boom. There we go. Hold it. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it. One more. Bet. Okay, for the next one, what I'm kind of thinking is, I kind of want you to come at me. So I'm gonna shoot straight, okay, but I want you to come at me this direction. So literally, your idea is you're on a runway, right? So I want you to come to the middle. You're gonna stop, wide stance. Nice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You're looking, you're posing. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna catch you all throughout that. Strut. All right, bet, let's do it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Bow. There we go. Yep, hold it. Boom. Look that direction with it. Boom. There we go. Hold your bag up a little bit. Bam. There we go. Look that direction. That way. Yep. Hold it. Bow. One more. Yeah. There you go. Especially like with the support system wise, like people that don't know you, 100% are gonna support you more. And then the people that, like, you know what I'm saying, that are getting to know you are gonna like probably like put you on more too. I feel like this is hard right here, low key. Like, this is kind of hard. Literally, it's like, I don't even know you, you know what I'm saying? But that's the best part about it. It's like, bro, I don't know you, but you just want to see me win so bad. It's crazy. And I feel like that's like, when I went up there, bro, it was like, that was the energy. It was just like out of nowhere. And like, random people talk to you, random people want to connect with you, random people want to know who you are and what do you do. They just want to know. Like, bro, and I hit like every place in like one day. Like, I woke up early as hell, and I just went to Dumbo, I went to all 3 bridges, I went to like literally every photo spot. Like, I was watching like a photo spot video, and I just knocked out everything on that video. So I just ran through it, boom, and I vlogged the whole thing too. So like, I'm in the process of trying to edit that, but you know how that goes. Oh no, yeah. But then again, like, one thing I can't say 100% is, if you fall in love with it, you'll never, you could keep it. Like, if you fall in love with it, you can keep doing it. Like, the bad part about it is, like, if you can't learn to fall in love with the hardest part of a job or the journey, you're not gonna get nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, if you fall in love with the fun part, which is just filming, but you can't fall in love with all of it, then you can't do it. Like, it's not gonna work for you. So that's why it's like, I just started trying to fall in love with every part of it. I'm like, okay, what can I learn or do as far as editing goes to do this shit more? Like, what is it? Like, do I want to add more effects? Do I want to add something that's more like me? Do I want to, like, you know what I'm saying? Or do I want to work smarter, not harder? Do I want to do less editing types and just actually do, you know what I'm saying? So like, one thing I started doing right now is being very intentional with my filming. So don't just press play and then just have a lot of like non-talking. No, if you press play, know that you're about to do energy, that you're about to be talking, so that when you go to edit, you only have 20 minutes of footage to go through. You don't have an hour, because you didn't waste an hour. You see what I'm saying? You're wasting an hour, you're wasting storage, you're wasting time, you're wasting energy, because you just press play and it's just like, oh, lollygalla. Like, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah, I'm vlogging. No, you're not. You're not actually being intentional with what you're doing. So it's like, when I started doing that, bro, everything got easier. I was able to batch more videos out. I was able to create more. I was able to do a lot more stuff faster, because, like, you know what I'm saying, I was being intentional with what I was doing. Indeed. Like, literally, bro. And it's like, you gotta, like, and it's like, it all comes down to sacrifice. It's like, are you gonna sacrifice that time to edit, to be able to do other stuff? Because it's like, if you really think about it, when it comes down to editing, it doesn't take you, like, I don't mean, like, not necessarily effort, but it doesn't take you any monetary value. So it's like, you don't have to pay anything to do it. Like, you just gotta do it. But it's like, you know what I'm saying? And it's like, you'd rather be comfortable and not do it than like be uncomfortable and do it. So it's like, if you're gonna let that stop you, then a whole bunch of other stuff gonna come along and stop you also. So it's like, that's the bad part about it. So it's like, you know what I'm saying? So it's like, I just try to understand that like it's an essential part of it. Like, if you don't want to have a job or a 9 to 5, then it's like certain things you have to do. Cause it's like, bro, like, you'll openly abide by every rule that your employer or a school or a teacher or a dean gives you, but when you do it for yourself, you don't. It's like, do you not like yourself? Do you disrespect yourself? Do you not, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, you let their authority overshadow way more than what you have for yourself, which is crazy. Like, and I started to understand that, and I was like, damn, I gotta change my mind, change my ways, because I would easily do what my employer says. Oh my God, I'm late for work. Oh my God, I'm gonna get fired. I'm so scared. But it's like, oh my God, I didn't upload this video, or I'm late to schedule this post. Oh my God, and it's okay, I'll do it tomorrow. What? But it's literally the exact same thing, but because you have an authoritative figure, it's easier for you to, you know what I'm saying, feel like, oh, I gotta get it done, I gotta do it, or somebody else, because you have an accountability now. But literally, self-discipline is hard, bro. Like, one thing I found out was consistency is easier than you think. Consistency is easier than you think. You can be consistent, but the discipline is the hardest part. Like, consistency is easy when you think, but you can wake up and not want to do something, that's when discipline comes in. You can be consistent and just do it. You can half-ass it. You know what I'm saying? You still did it though. That was being consistent, right? But when it comes to discipline, it's like discipline, same amount of effort, same as like whether you crying, whether you're awake, whether you're asleep, like, you're doing it. So that's where it's like, fuck, like, that's the hardest part, bro.
Yeah, can't go around that.
Nah, literally, bro. So that's just where I'm at right now, bro. Discipline, bro, discipline. I'm trying to focus on like the traveling and organization and discipline, bro. That's it. Cause I feel like with travel like kind of forces me to be disciplined. Cause when you travel somewhere new, you gotta have a schedule. Like, you gotta, like, you know what I'm saying? If you're always on the go, you gotta do something right. Like, you can't just, you know, oh, I'll wake up whenever. Like, nah, cause you're here. So it's like, you paid to be here. Now that's your authoritative figure. It's like, I gotta get something done because I'm living on money right now. Nah, literally. But so same type of vibe I feel like, yeah, I'm gonna try to like be symmetrical with this and like see what kind of vibe we can give off. Let me see. Guys, we're playing with the sun today, you guys. We're playing with the sun. We're gonna see how this works, you know what I'm saying? And things of that nature, because it's right above and we're actually kind of in nature, so it's kind of funny. Come over a little bit, try to center you. Y'all seen that hack? That was a trick, wasn't it? Haha, yeah, you know what I'm saying? There we go, yeah, there we go. Bow, 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 there we go. There we go. Look more up and off. Like when you look, yeah, boom, hold it. There we go, there we go. There we go. I'm gonna back up a little bit to add some more compression, you guys. I'm gonna stay zoomed in at 70 millimeters. Y'all can't see me no more, but I'm backed all the way up so I can have a little bit more compression. Hold it, hold it, hold it. There we go, there we go. Guys, when it gets this bright outside, you gotta use your viewfinder, because if you don't, and you just use your regular LCD screen, you're not gonna be able to see the colors and the shadows on your model's face and see where they're being casted at. So try your hardest to get down. I know it's harder, it is not as comfortable, because you gotta squint that dang eye. Go ahead, squint that eye. It's not that hard. There we go. Yep, yeah, I like that one. I like that one, I like that one. There we go. Bet. So what I'm thinking is, bro, is like, bro, what is this right here? Let's see. I kinda want you right here, cause like I see that in the background. So let's see how we can do that. So like literally it's gonna look like we're in a whole different location, you guys, but we're in the exact same spot. Like, but no one know that, except y'all on YouTube. See, multiple angles, man. Y'all get the best of both worlds. Let me know if y'all like this. I ain't did this yet. Oh, I did it in studio one time, but there we go. Yeah, see, I like this one too. I think the light is a lot better here. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Grip your hair again. Start over. Yep, like that. Yep. 3, 2, 1. There we go. There we go. Kind of keep going, playing with it. Yep. There we go. There we go. So like put one foot close to me. Yeah, and then like lean, yep. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. There we go. One more. There. All right, now we're gonna do the reel. There you go. Okay, bet. So literally what I'm thinking is, like, you got bagginess on. Let me think. Okay. So I feel like you're kind of like right here. I feel like a wide stance again. And then maybe even like your purse is like in the middle. and you're like that. Yeah, literally. So like try to get in the middle for me. Boom, right there, yep. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Yeah, there we go. I'm gonna get low with you, hold it, 3, 2, 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. One more time. Yep, there you go, fix it up. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, see, look, love that. She's moving with me, you know what I'm saying? Going through the emotions. Yeah. Let's see, let's see, let's see. All right, so what I'm thinking is like now with this one, which side are you more like? Are you like your left side or do you like that right side? We'll do the right side. Okay, so literally with this right side, put that left foot up like that. And like, it might be hard to hold it for a little bit, but try to hold it and like have your bag in your right hand and you can go like that. You know what I'm saying? Dramatic, dramatic. Very dramatic. Yes, there we go. Hold it, 3, 2, 1, yes, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. There we go. There we go. Yes, yes. There we go. Yes. One more, one more, one more. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let me get right here. I got a little bit of foreground, you guys. I can still see that boot. There we go, yep. One more, one more, one more. Hold it, 3, 2, 1. That. All right, so now what I'm thinking, right? What I'm thinking, right? I'm thinking like, I feel like I want you to lean on this, but I don't know how I want you to lean. I don't know if I want like a this. I don't know what I want. I mean, maybe I want like a, but then like you gotta like add separation. Okay. So like I want like separate. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I kind of like that. Do it this way though, cause of the sun. All right, bet. So first, what I'm thinking is, being that it's a wide lens, I want a lot of movement. Okay. Like I want you like all your actions to be at me, like at the camera. So like at the camera. Yes, literally just like that. Come over a little bit more in the middle. Boom, right there. Exact same thing that you just did. Right there. Yep. Right at the camera. Hold it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. With this wide lens, you guys, you want to always have your subject in the middle. There we go. Yes, there's a lot of foreground, middle ground, background with the wide lenses. You can play with them a lot. She's backlit by the, yes, there we go. I want you to like squat with it. Yeah, 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 yeah. There we go. There we go. Bam. There we go. So for all of you guys think you can't shoot on no wide lens, no fisheye, you definitely can. It's possible. There we go. There we go. Yes, bet. So now what I'm thinking is I kind of want like, I'm probably gonna do a close-up. So what I want you to do is, I'm gonna do one like closer to your face, and I want you to kind of angle yourself up at the sun like that and like have your bag right here. Okay. Yeah, literally like that. So turn this way towards the sun. Yep. There we go. Hold it. There we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Hold it, hold it, hold it. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3. Oh, this is the one. 3, 2. Sorry. Well, guys, with the wide lens, I can't tell how close I actually am. Like I'm looking through the wide lens, but I can't tell that I'm like enormous, like crazy close. All right, let's see what we got with the wide lens, you guys. But, yeah, there we go. Hold it. There we go. Yep. There we go. There we go. And look that direction, like I'm not even here right now. You're just vibing out by yourself. Yep. You're like, oh yeah, just a mundane day in the park. There we go. Not me tagging Central Park. All right, there we go. Yes, there we go. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Yep. One more, hold it. Bet. Whew. I got an idea, but I don't know how this is about to work. All right, better try something out, you guys. All right, so I'm trying to think if I should do it here or if I should do it in the grass. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put my wide lens on. What I'm thinking is something out of the box, something crazy a little bit. We're gonna see, hold on. We love crazy, we love crazy. We love crazy. All right, let's see. So you guys, I'm putting on my 12-24 f4 G Master lens, y'all boys, taking off the Sigma Art 24-70. About to put that big boy on and see what he's talking about. So I'm thinking I'm gonna shoot raw with this one also as well. But I see what the idea that I have. Let's see how wide is 12. Let me see. So what I'm thinking is, bro, I'm thinking you walking up. So I'm gonna like lay down and I'm gonna go like this. You're gonna go like that, like over my head on some shit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna try to see how wide I can get it. Like I'm gonna try to like get the sun glaring, but also some greenery in there. So I'm probably gonna like right here to make sure they can see it. I ain't gonna lie, this is going viral. I feel like every time I know something's gonna do it, it's gonna do it, and then it does it. So yeah, right? You know what I'm saying? You just feel that like that's just gonna happen. All right, so let's see. All right, let me see. My bag over. Make sure I got my settings right. So I'm gonna like turn this way so that you just like go over me like that.
Like this way?
Let me see. Yeah, so you're just like walk over me. Don't kill me, okay? Like, your necklace is broke.
Hold on, my necklace broke.
Yeah, don't kill me, okay? Cause you got heels on.
Yeah, I was like, wait, we're really walking over you right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
You said you love crazy. Just don't like, you know.
I signed up for crazy.
Just don't fall.
I got you.
Is she trying to call me crazy, y'all? But, so it's literally like the same thing that we were doing over there, like that stance, but like you're just like doing it over a human now, you know? Yeah.
Great description, yes. I definitely got it.
Exactly. That's exactly what it is. Oh, that's actually hard as hell. Yeah. Are you gonna do left foot or your right foot?
I'm gonna walk over you with the right.
Okay. All right, ready? 3, 2. Oh shit, you're not ready?
No.
Maybe maybe put that foot like right here so then now it can go over. All right, let me get closer, bro. Let me help you out, bro. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. One more. You gotta go over my head.
Over your head?
Yeah, like over the camera. My head is the camera. Cause like it looks like, yeah. All right, let me show you. A bit hard, but if you were like right here, it'd be even harder.
Okay. So I gotta angle my foot so it's like.
Yeah, so like this, yes.
Okay.
All right, ready? Hold it. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
One more time. Try to do it a little bit higher, like over here.
Okay.
And I'm gonna see how it looks. 3, yes. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, let's see. Y'all, hey, that looked crazy. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah. So like I have to go like this more.
Yeah,
So
you gotta be like, it's like, should I be like, I'm trying to think. Should I like be in the middle or, cause like what I'm catching is your foot and your knee over the lens.
Yeah.
So should both feet be on either other sides? Like, do you know what I'm saying? Like, so for example, like, cause what you're doing right now is this.
Yeah.
So that's going directly over it. And being that it's a wide lens, your foot and your knee is covering the whole thing. So I wonder if you should go like this. So then I could see you through this part. Like, you know what I'm saying?
I would say I would close my leg. I would.
So what, come this way?
Sliding up.
So I would see this side of you?
Yeah.
All right, try that out. And then try to poke your face.
Okay.
So when you do it, try to be like,
Yep.
like, oh, hey, you down there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all right, bet.
I feel it.
Okay, let's try it out. All right, ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh, one more. Yes. That was it. 3, 2, 1. Oh, that was it.
Yeah.
I think that was the one.
I held it a little bit longer. So
Yeah, no, I seen.
Mm-hmm.
You're like, let me pause. Let me hold it.
Let me hold it.
Let me hold it. Let me see. Let me hold it. Let's see.
Me and my ankles.
Yeah. Oh, this is the other one. I didn't even know how far I had got. Alrighty, guys, man, that's the shoot. Let me know if you guys want to see some more like this. If you guys want to see more from her as well, what's your Instagram?
The Biggest Storm.
Guys, if you guys want to see more from Storm, let me know. She lives in New York, and where I just come from, New York. So we might have to double back. Just let me know if you guys want to see more of Storm down in the comments. If this video goes off, I might have to take a trip to New York. Let's do it. Anything else you got to say?
See y'all later. Thank y'all.
Yeah. Until next time, taxi.
Hey man, say man, free my nigga Rich man. Watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that? 20 bowls.